biscuits to make the dumplings. And I've always hated busting these things because I don't like that sudden. Wow, 180 calories per biscuit. Whew, I hate that. Okay. Take one biscuit. Roller. This makes me think of all kind of ideas. All right. So, it's your favorite friend. I was thinking of something. And biscuits are pretty much prefabricated dough in a nutshell. So I had an idea. I'm a peanut butter and jelly man. You ever had a peanut butter and jelly biscuit? Now, if I can do this correctly and get this done the way I want to, this might just work out. Peanut butter is so delicious. I take a shot of jelly. Oh, that's it. This is more like spread, but strawberry. And then we're gonna take this and fold it over as such. And we're gonna bake it. But before that, yeah, let's see how that turns out. I was thinking, what else can we do with this? So delicious. Pears are so absolutely one very delicious fruit. So what we're gonna do here, I'm just gonna take some pears, slices. We're going to wrap them inside of a biscuit. We're gonna see how this turns out. Okay, let's see what this peanut butter and jelly biscuit tastes like. Oh, wrapped in biscuit mix. I don't know what you want to call it. Let's give it a good sniff. Oh, the aroma of the peanut butter and jelly. God, the taste of warm peanut butter and jelly. Oh gosh, it's so, I'm almost tempted to see what the inside of, look at this, look at that. Oh my goodness. It's only on the outside where it's bursting. See that inside, the goodness? Let's give it a quick taste test. Wow. This, I'm not gonna fool you and play with your head. This is delicious. Got warm, creamy peanut butter. What kind of peanut butter did I use? Oh, I used peanut butter and creamy. That explains the creaminess of the peanut butter. But that warm texture, wrapped with that biscuit wrapped around it. And the back end, I taste a little bit of that jelly. Wow. That's actually pretty freaking good, if I do say so myself. Ideas of pondering. That is delicious. It's almost, when you get closer past the end, it's almost like you're eating a warm peanut butter and jelly sandwich in your mouth. And the biscuit's not hard, it's nice and soft. It's not like eating it with bread. Wow, I'm quite impressed with this. You know, I'm about to get my son to try some of this because this is too good for me to keep for myself. But I got something else cooking. We'll see what else we can do with the biscuit. With a flying success. Wow. What else we can do here? Actually, I can take this and that. Oops. We may have to cut this in half. Don't have quite enough dough. Technically, this would be sausage and egg and a biscuit. All right, I'll be back. See what else we can do. Okay, you know what this is. It's in a biscuit, but you have no idea. This is pears in a biscuit. Have no idea what this is going to taste like. Let's take a look. Look at that. Soft. Oh, good gosh. Look what happened to the pear. The pear, look at it. Look at that awesome goodness in there. I can't wait to taste. Now that is really different. Ooh. One is soft. But I've never had a warm pear before. And I'm not really sure what to make of it. It's not bad. It's surprisingly, I gotta get a sample set of this. Because this pear pretty much got really soft. Pears are usually soft and mushy anyway, but my brain doesn't know what to make of it. But it's pretty good. It's good. It's good. I'm not saying that it doesn't taste good, but the pear and the biscuit together I'm trying to reference it to another taste. Got one more try to get this. Well, that's not bad at all. What gets you is that biscuit and that pear in it, because pears are normally not overwhelming, but that hot, creamy, that hot pear inside that biscuit, it's almost like a sweet tart, I guess. It's not overly sweet, but just enough to know that that pear is in there. It's not bad at all, Wow. I'm impressed. Got one more item for you. I think I figured out a title for this. 3 things I made with a biscuit. So, this is the product. You know what that is? Any idea? Okay. Let's cut into it and see if you can figure it out. It's egg and a sausage link inside of a biscuit. Let's give it a quick taste test. Ooh. Other than when I bit it, it pulled the biscuit out. That's not actually bad. It vaguely reminds me of kind of like a Hot Pocket a little bit. But that's not bad at all, really. That biscuit, there's possibilities here. All right. Those are 3 items that I made with a simple biscuit. Just roll it out with a roller and put whatever your heart desires in the inside of it. I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do with this last one. But as for this one, this is only 3 I was going to use on this particular video. Try them out yourself. Pretty good. I have no complaints. This is actually pretty good. This is almost like a breakfast pocket that you can make. Wow, that is really good. All right, fam. Take care. Be good.